How to stop people from seeing that I viewed their profile on TikTok? We'll go in our profile, and here we can see an option right on our top right area, and we can simply click on that. And here we can see that this is the option of profile view. We'll click on the settings, and we have to turn off the profile view history. So in this way we will be able to turn off that we see other people's profile. And I will just simply show you another options as well, how we can like turn off our profile view option. Then what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll click on our three horizontal line and click on settings and privacy. If we go on privacy and scroll all the way down, we'll get to see an option of profile view. We can simply click on that option, and here we can simply turn off our view history option. So yeah, that is how we can stop people from seeing what that I viewed their profile on TikTok.